Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with love. Cooking with love is about infusing your dishes with genuine care and positive intention, transforming a simple meal into a memorable experience. It's not just about following a recipe, it's about connecting with your ingredients and the people you're cooking for. This approach elevates every flavor and makes the entire process more enjoyable, both for you and for those who will savor your creations. Let's dive into how to achieve this. The journey of cooking with love begins with choosing the best ingredients. Opt for fresh, seasonal produce from local markets whenever possible. Imagine a ripe, red tomato picked at its peak versus one that's traveled thousands of miles. High-quality ingredients inherently possess richer flavors and textures, meaning you'll need to do less to make them shine. This simple step, often overlooked, makes a profound difference in the final taste and the overall experience of your meal. Mindful preparation is key to infusing love into your cooking. Take your time with each step, whether it's finely dicing an onion or gently stirring a sauce. Feel the textures, smell the aromas, and taste as you go. Precise measurements like exactly 1/2 teaspoon of salt ensure balance. Remember, presentation is also crucial. A beautifully plated dish, even a simple one, shows care and respect for your diners, making the meal feel truly special and inviting. The ultimate act of cooking with love culminates in sharing your creations. Gather around a table, whether with family or friends, and witness the joy your efforts bring. Food has an incredible power to connect people, sparking conversations and creating lasting memories. It's not just about the nourishment, it's about the shared experience, the laughter, and the warmth. This act of giving, expressed through a thoughtfully prepared meal, is truly one of the most profound ways to show love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.